Cooking for my hungry husband. Episode 30. My man said, "What's for dinner tonight?" I said, "Me." Hehee. I'm just kidding. I went to the store and saw some snapper fillet. I made a whole snapper, but I never made no fillet. But I'm home. Before we get started, welcome to my channel. First and foremost, I want to thank y'all for all the crazy support. And all the kind words. Y'all rocking with me for real, huh? I can't lie. It's inspiring. I'm about to make some juicy, crispy snapper fillet. Wait, I like it the way my man likes it. Hee-hee. Let's make some snappers. Catch it. Crispy fried snapper. Saiyla the chef and the rapper. Okay, let me stop. Watch me cook. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Watch me make a masterpiece. First things first, I'm going to grab my snapper fillet and I'm going to clean that thing. And if you don't, you do you. And I know it's fish, but you don't want that real fishy smell. Ciao, if that makes sense. But I'm trying to deep clean that thing. Make sure this fish is sanitized, cleaned all the way. Because ain't no way, Jose, or however they say. Okay, I'm done cleaning it. After I'm done with that, I'm going to rinse it and then rinse my hands. Now, I was thinking about what I should make with the snapper, and I'm thinking some white rice. So I'm preparing it right now. I put some water in a pot and I'm going to throw some salt and some oil in there and wait for that thing to bubble. And I also thought it would be a good idea to throw some plantains on the side with it. Now, I made a mistake by trying to peel the skin off and now it's looking all lopsided and whatnot, y'all. Like, I don't know what the heck happened. So I left the skin on all of the rest of them. Ciao. But it should look like this. Now it's time for me to get my seasoning so I can season these bad boys up. And y'all already know these are my go-to seasonings: paprika, adobo, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, like everything that ends with powder. So first I'm gonna throw some paprika on there. And I like paprika because it gives it that color and that little kick of a flavor, if you know what I mean. I'm going to then throw in some garlic powder. And this is the thing. I don't measure. I don't do measurements. I just go with the flow. I just do my thing. I barely use the measuring spoons. I feel like the only time I do use it is if I'm baking, because I don't bake like that. But, ciao. I don't measure, okay? Y'all always asking me what's the measurements, how much salt and stuff I use, okay? I don't know. I'm sorry. But when I launch this cookbook, y'all gonna see all the measurements, okay? Now, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in it. That way I can, like, mix all the seasonings over. That way it can stick, you know? And y'all know I don't play when it comes to seasoning my food. I want to make sure I get every spot. I don't want no bald spots. I don't want none of that, okay? Now, I'm going to flip them things over and I'm going to get my little Saison packet and I'm going to start seasoning it all over on the back side. Now, this one is different. This one is much more redder. The other ones I normally use is like an orange looking color, but this is going to give it that real good flavor. And I don't know, it's just going to give it a vibrant color. I love when my food have like color. I don't know. To me, it just makes it look more yummy and delicious. Okay, look how nicely seasoned this look. This is looking real good. Gotta do my little happy dance. Hey. Okay, so now it's time to grab this big old all-purpose flour. This thing is heavier than me. Now, I'm only gonna pour a little bit because I don't need too much of it. Is it just me? I'm always pouring more than I need. Then I gotta throw it all away. So basically, the same seasons I use to season the fish, I'm gonna season the flour with, except for the Saison. So that's black pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, adobo seasoning, and the Slap Your Mama seasoning. And then we're gonna mix that thing all up until you can't mix no more. Until the seasonings disappear, okay? I want it dissolved. Now I'm going to cover the fish with the flour, and it sucks. I done ran out of gloves. So I'm going to have to use my hands, and I don't like when my hands get a little too messy. The flour gets stuck all in my nails and stuff. No. But a girl got to do what a girl got to do. Now I'm just lightly coating it. It don't need to be heavy. It's fine just like this. I'm going to repeat the same steps for the other ones, and this one right here is the crazy one. This one looking a little crazy. But hey, it's going to taste crazily delicious. I like a little crazy. Okay, the process is complete. This is about to be good. Oh, yes. Now I'm going to clean up right quick and put everything away because, y'all, I can't cook in no dirty kitchen. I don't got time to be tripping over stuff, getting stuff on me. We gonna clean up. Come on, seasonings. Y'all behind's going back in the cabinet. Y'all keep asking why my kitchen looks so empty. I don't like clutter. I don't like nothing. I like a nice space where I can cook, where I can move, where I can dance. I'm just kidding. I feel like simplicity is just better. Now I'm gonna prepare the plantains, and I just love them. I feel like they go good with a lot of food items. I'm going to cut the ends on both sides, and then I'm going to diagonally cut them. You can cut them any kind of shape, size, big or small, but I like mine's like this. Voila, we got some cut up plantains. I got the pot boiling for the rice. I put some salt and oil in there, and now I'm gonna use this coconut oil. And those of you that know, I've been telling y'all to put some coconut oil on y'all white rice because it hit different, it tastes different. It's just trust me and try it if you haven't yet. Now I got some jasmine rice, and this is my favorite type of rice. Like, I use all types of brands or whatever, but I love me some jasmine rice. I washed it, and then I'm gonna pour it all over, and then I'm gonna mix that thing all up. I'm gonna pour in some vegetable oil for the plantains to fry, and then I'm gonna get my cast iron and put some oil in there so the fish could fry. I made a bowl of water for the plantains, and basically I put some salt and I squeezed some lime in there for that flavor. Trust me, adding lime to it gives it a better flavor, I promise. Now I'm gonna mix it up real good until I can't mix no more. And once the water boils down from the rice, I'm gonna put it on low and cover it up. Now I'm gonna remove the outside layer of the plantain. This is the method I like to do it. It comes off easily. Okay, now the oil is hot. It's time to fry. And y'all, I can't wait for me and my man to eat this. Gotta do my little happy dance. Hey, hey. Ooh. Y'all, this thing about to burn. Saiyla, focus. Y'all see the texture? Y'all see the crisp? Now I'm gonna put it to the plate. I'm gonna fry all the other ones. Let them fry for a couple of minutes until like golden brown. And then I grab one of my measuring utensils so I can use it as like a flattener. I'm gonna flatten these plantains, okay? Squish them things. And this is how I like mine squished. It looks perfect. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna flatten all of the rest, and then what I'm gonna do is grab them things and put it inside the salt and water and lime mixture just for like a couple of seconds. It's not good to keep it in for too long. Now that they are submerged in, I'm gonna fry them things back into the oil, and now this time this thing is gonna fry. It's gonna be popping all over. You know, water and oil do not mix. Now just let it fry and let it do its thing. And I realized the snappers are too big for my pot, so I cut them things in half so they can fry properly. Now this is my favorite part, watching the fish sizzle. Okay, this is about to be good. This is about to be bomb. This gonna be fire. I flip it around, and oh my gosh, it's looking real juicy. It's looking, oh my gosh, it's looking so good. And ooh, look at my plantains. It's looking perfect. Do y'all see the color? Do y'all see the texture? Gotta do my little happy dance. Ay, ay. Okay, back to the snapper. Look what I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to flip this thing over so y'all can see how juicy and delicious this is looking. Y'all can't tell me this don't look good. Wow. It's looking done and delicious. Okay, so the first half is done frying. I put it in a plate with some paper towels to get the excess oil off. And now this is the other half that's frying. And these things are almost done. I just have to fry the backside of it. Do y'all hear how this thing is sizzling? That's music to my ears. Yup. Okay, it's piping hot, and it looked too good for me to let it cool down. I gotta really show y'all how this thing is looking. Ooh, yes. So I washed some lettuce, tomatoes, and peppers on the side for the dish. Oh my gosh. Look at this masterpiece. I know y'all mouth is drooling right now. It looks good. Check. It smells good. Check. It tastes good. Check, check, check. If my snapper fillet don't look like this, then I don't want it. Honey, your delicious, scrumptious, masterpiece, juicy dinner is ready. Damn. It's a fried snapper fillet with fried plantains, tomatoes, lettuce, peppers, and white rice on the side. I told him dessert will be for later. Hee hee.